Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 7 of the 2020 12 Days of Christmas Nail Art, we're going to be working on these Ornate Opals. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'll be using Holo Not Milky White, and then I'll be topping it with Cosmic Unicorn Skin, Solar Unicorn Skin, Aurora Unicorn Skin, and then doing the design with Sally Hansen Leaden Lilac. I've got a small lid here to use as a palette, and I'm going to put out just a little bit of blue at a time so that I can continue working with fresh polish. I've got a small striper brush, and then I'm just going to start drawing the design on each of my nails. Once you're done adding the filigree, you can go ahead and finish with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I've got kind of mixed feelings about it, but I do really like the optical illusion quality that makes the center seem to almost pop out like a real cabochon, even though it's completely smooth. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this design, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.